As leaders, we carry a lot on our shoulders, and we support people, and we help people change, and we motivate people, and we do things for people that they don't even know we're doing it, because that's a leader, because you got to actually be involved in it. It's not like a boss, you know, you're a leader. So you actually got to have your hands on it and get your hands dirty. And if you're a leader and you holding up a crowd of people, sometimes we get weak, fam. Sometimes we get weak. Sometimes we make some decisions that cause us to get weak. It is what it is. We still man. And I was thinking about Samson this rising, and I was thinking about how he had got to the point where he got so weak where he put his confidence in the wrong person. And fam, when he did that, fam, it broke him completely down. Lost his hair, got beat up, took his eyes out, threw him in prison, and made a mockery of the man. But while he was in there, family, his hair started growing back a little bit. He couldn't see, but he could still talk to God. And he asked for strength just one more time, to give him the strength he needed so he could trample on his enemies that has made a mockery of him and his people. And he was given the strength one more time, family, as they brought him out there to make a mockery of him. And he was able to push these two pillars down that killed everybody in there, more than in his death than he did when he was living. He destroyed the enemy more then. But he was in a situation where he had got so weak, family, where he literally got broke down to the point where he didn't know what to do, but he still had his faith. And I believe leaders get like that, family. It happens. We get weak, we fight, we push. We make some bad decisions sometimes, family, because we live with our heart and we're attached to the people that we're attached to. It is what it is. And sometimes you get weak, fam. But I just want to say this, rising. Watch who you tell your secrets to. Watch who you put your confidence in. Because if you're going through something, King, if you're going through something, you're a leader, if you share the wrong things with the wrong people, it can put you in a situation that can break you. And we realize now that the worst thing to be broken in a person is their mental health. Hold on.